So tonight we did a really special event. We did a private cooking class with all of our advisors, and it's just so important for us to come together and be able to have time outside of the shops and outside of the workplace and just be able to build those relationships that are friendships, and that's really, really important into our culture.
Our company has grown so much, and we've brought on so many fantastic people. It's good to kind of have some face time with everybody. And who doesn't love a good meal and to just cook and drink and have a great time together?
So tonight we actually made bruschetta, we made a delicious chicken dish and an amazing bread pudding dessert, so it was a lot of fun.
Sometimes we don't make the time to spend with the people that are a big part of our lives, and so coming together to do these kinds of things allows us to just break away and reconnect and have fun and regroup a little bit.
So we had over 30 advisors come out tonight, and it was such a fun evening. And so I'm just so thankful that we have such a great group that can come together and have such a great night and really just showcase the culture of our company.